Welcome to our channel, where we explore the wonders of nature. Today, we're diving into the world of bamboo, a plant that's as fascinating as it is versatile.
Did you know that bamboo is actually a type of grass? Unlike trees, bamboo belongs to the Poaceae family, making it one of the largest members of the grass family.
Bamboo can grow incredibly fast. Some species can shoot up by 35 inches in a single day. That's almost 1.5 inches in just 1 hour.
This remarkable plant can reach heights of up to 100 feet, making it one of the tallest grasses in the world.
Bamboo is not only tall but also very strong. It has a tensile strength that rivals steel and a compressive strength comparable to concrete.
There are over 1,400 species of bamboo, each with its unique characteristics and properties.
Bamboo can thrive in a variety of climates, from hot, tropical regions to cooler, temperate zones.
One of bamboo's most notable features is its ability to regenerate. When harvested, it continues to grow from its root system without the need for replanting.
The bamboo plant can live for more than 100 years and is known for its resilience and hardiness.
Bamboo leaves are used in traditional medicine in many cultures, known for their anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties.
Bamboo fibers are incredibly strong and durable, making bamboo fabric a popular eco-friendly alternative to cotton and synthetic materials.
The bamboo plant plays a crucial role in the ecosystem, providing habitat and food for various animals, including the giant panda.
In many Asian cultures, bamboo is a symbol of strength, flexibility, and endurance. Bamboo shoots are a tasty and nutritious part of Asian cuisine, rich in vitamins and minerals.
This versatile plant is used in construction, from scaffolding to flooring, proving its strength and sustainability.
Bamboo charcoal is used in a variety of products, from water filters to air purifiers, thanks to its excellent absorption properties.
Bamboo is celebrated in art and literature, often featured in traditional paintings and poetry.
The plant's hollow structure makes it perfect for making musical instruments like flutes and wind chimes.
Bamboo is also used in the craft of paper making, providing a sustainable alternative to tree pulp.
This plant has a high resistance to pests and diseases, minimizing the need for pesticides and making it a more eco-friendly option.
Bamboo's extensive root system helps to stabilize soil and prevent erosion, making it an important plant for land conservation.
In many cultures, bamboo is used in rituals and ceremonies, symbolizing peace, prosperity, and good fortune.
Bamboo can be transformed into biofuel, offering a renewable energy source that can help reduce our reliance on fossil fuels.
The plant's rapid growth rate makes it an excellent carbon sink, absorbing more CO2 from the atmosphere than many other plants.
Bamboo is known for its adaptability, capable of thriving in diverse environmental conditions.
Bamboo fencing is a popular choice for sustainable landscaping, providing privacy and security while enhancing garden aesthetics.
The plant's natural beauty and versatility have made it a favorite material for eco-friendly furniture and home decor.
Bamboo's lightweight yet high strength make it an ideal material for crafting bicycles and other eco-friendly transportation options. Bamboo utensils and kitchenware are praised for being sustainable, durable, and biodegradable. Bamboo vinegar, produced from the plant's natural fermentation, is used in various health and wellness products.
Bamboo's natural antibacterial properties make it an excellent choice for cutting boards and other kitchen items.
In addition to its practical uses, bamboo is a popular ornamental plant in gardens and landscapes around the world.
The plant's versatile nature extends to its use in modern architecture, with innovative designs incorporating bamboo for both structural and aesthetic purposes.
Bamboo fibers are used in making eco-friendly diapers, offering a sustainable option for environmentally conscious parents.
Bamboo mats and rugs are cherished for their natural look and durable quality.
Bamboo's hollow structure makes it ideal for creating eco-friendly straws, an alternative to plastic straws.
The plant can be used to create sustainable and biodegradable packaging materials, reducing plastic waste.
Bamboo's resilience and rapid growth make it a promising material for reforestation and land rehabilitation projects.
In landscaping, bamboo is often used as a natural screen or windbreak, enhancing privacy and reducing noise pollution.
Bamboo is an important component of many traditional cultures, symbolizing harmony between humans and nature.
Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of bamboo. We hope you've enjoyed learning about this incredible plant and its many uses.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating facts about the natural world.